These are my marinated olives, and this is how my mum used to make them, and now I made them, and these are one of the best olives you can eat.
These olives are freshly picked from our tree. The first step is to crush them. Use a hard surface and preferably outside because you don't want olive juice in your kitchen everywhere. Splitting them so they come apart. Put them straight into a stainless steel bowl. If you don't have a bowl, use a stainless steel saucepan. The olives are crushed and we are adding boiling water. We'll let it sit for about 3 to 4 hours until the water goes cold.
We'll make sure that the olives are all fully covered. And then we'll let that sit for a few hours. All right, the olives have been in the water all this afternoon. Look at that, look how black it is. All the bitterness is coming out. It's time to change the water now. What I do now, I rinse it. And I change the water every morning and night for the next 5-6 days. Fill it up again. You put cold water every morning and night. Cover them with the water. There you go, and you leave them there. In the morning we change it again. I've been changing the water morning and night for the last 7 days. I just dried one and they're ready. What I'll do now, I'll wash them off. Get all the dirty water out of them. Let's chuck it back in there. You get the water right out of them, it's better. Because then all the water gets into the bottom and you don't want that. See, nice. Now that I've squeezed all the water out of them, now it's ready to fix them up. Put garlic. As much as garlic as you prefer, but I'll put 2 to 3 cloves. But if you want more, if you like more, you can put more. Hot chili, just cut a few in there. Again, you put how many you prefer. Some like them hotter, some don't. But these aren't too hot, so I'll put a few in there. Add salt. About 4 little teaspoons. Put oil. Just a little bit of oil. Just enough to go through. And oregano. Once you mix them all like this, you get one, you try it and see if you've got enough salt, if they're marinated enough. Beautiful, enough salt. And what you do, you keep mixing them every day and eat them every day or when you want. And if not, you can put them in the fridge and they're ready to eat.